Well, my name is Don Kimball. I'm retired in the area of North Queens, and I am currently the co-chair of the North Queens Business Hub and Innovation Center. Here we've been set up for about 2 years now. We do some work in the community with the internet. We have office spaces for rent. We have an open concept that we have here to rent, and we have a boardroom as well for the local businesses to utilize. We've been putting on courses here. We've been involved with developing internet across the country through a television white space program, a grant that we received from the Canadian Internet Registration Authority, and that grant was to study the use of television white space as a rural internet delivery system. And the project went quite successfully. We were able to establish that the TV white space works better than the current systems used. So the data has now been sent to Industry Canada, and they are looking at rolling out development licenses right across the country. Well, I think they're very useful, very useful. They're a great help to any of the community, to the folks. If you're young and starting off trying to start a business up, it's a long, hard road to get that going, and the more help information you can get, the more successful you're going to be, for sure. So when you're able to put these courses on and have people make connections, and not just connections with the instructors and the experts, but connections within the community with fellow people trying to look at doing the same thing. It's very important.
Yeah.